Hello and welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson we are going to study the mailing tab, which is all about mails that you send to other people. And nowadays it doesn't have a lot of usage because we have email address and other applications or platforms in order to send our emails. But we will just have a look at it and how it's work. It does have envelopes and labels, which it determines how your mailing should be. Like, this is the delivery address where you want to deliver your mail, which my deliver address is Mazar, and where I want to send it is for Kabul. This is how it looks. You can print it or you can add to document. When I add to document, it looks like this. See, the page got smaller, like a mailing paper, and in here we have the area that where we send our mail, and in here we have our address. The other option is about labeling, where you want to label your address or give it more detail, like Mazore Sharif, which is located Afghanistan. So this is how it looks. And the next option is about start mailing merge. In here we have letter email message. This is how it looks when you want to send an email message. So we just want to make a step-by-step email or how it looks. Before that, let's make it later. And in here we have use an existing list. Where you have a list, you can use that, but let's make a new list. This is our previous list, but we want to make new lists, so I'm going to delete all of it in order to make another simple list. So let's add a new list. We will say ID, name, if name, post, salary. So this is how it looks. So simple. We will add an ID, like this is our ID. By pressing tab you go to another column. Our name is like Shahid. My father name is Shabir. The post should be like teacher. Salary is like $100. So when I click to new entry, it will go to another column. I can add more new things with new information, and this is how it looks. When I press OK, I have to save it in somewhere. By a name, I'll save it in desktop. And this is our data. Okay, we can go to insert merge field. Before that, let's make a merge field our name. At first we had ID, so we will go in here, merge field, we will press ID. Then we had name, we will go in here, add name. The next option is if name, which stands for father name. We had salary, before that we had post. We will add post, and we have salary. In salary, we do add salary. And by clicking preview results, it will show the IDs and the information that we had, okay? And when I press here, it will go to another ID and another data. Imagine you have hundreds of information or data by pressing These buttons, you got information about them. So this is what mailing looks like. It is not so much necessary, but we have to know about them, and this is how it works. In the next lesson, we're going to study the last lesson of Microsoft Office Word, which is review. For right now, bye bye.